Imagine having a personal AI assistant right in your pocket. Sounds intriguing, right? Can a simple USB really transform into a dedicated assistant? We often face frustrations with technology. Unwanted software installations bog down our devices. Cloud dependency worries many about privacy and security. Plus, complex setups can be overwhelming and time-consuming. Introducing the USB AI Assistant. It's a portable AI system that runs offline. Simply plug it into your computer and you're all set. No installations or complicated procedures necessary. Using the USB AI Assistant is effortless. Plug it in, and the AI activates immediately. It operates without internet access, ensuring your data remains private. You can chat, ask questions, or request tasks, just like a regular assistant. Imagine needing quick information while working. The USB AI Assistant quickly provides answers without delays. It can help with scheduling, reminders, or general inquiries, all offline. In summary, the USB AI Assistant is a game changer. It eliminates the hassle of downloads and installations. Enjoy the benefits of a personal assistant while keeping your data secure. Ready to try the USB AI Assistant? Grab yours today and revolutionize how you work.